Today, December 10th, 2023, marks a historic milestone of all of us, the human race living in this world. We commemorate the 75th Human Rights Day, a crucial moment that reminds us of the fundamental rights that should be granted to every individual to live on this earth, which belongs to all of us collectively. Although Indonesia has adopted the content of the Universal Declaration of Human Rights, our people in Aceh, West Papua and South Maluku are still in deeply concerning situation. The main issue is continuous violation of human rights, which have become common occurrence in Indonesia. Thus, the adoption of the Universal Declaration of Human Rights content is merely a facade. Every human being aspires to live in peace. However, once again, our three nations, the Aceh, West Papua and South Maluku, bear witness that since the adoption of the UDHR by Indonesia, our people have not experienced equal living conditions compared to other nations on this earth. Our fundamental rights to freedom, dignity and justice continue to be neglected. In that spirit, we are committed to defending the rights to self-determination and inherent rights of every nation that cannot be taken away from the basic rights of any people. On behalf of people in Aceh, West Papua and South Maluku, we will continue to work together to struggle for the realization of dignity, freedom and justice in our homeland.
Aceh! Merdeka! Papua! Merdeka! Maluku! Merdeka!
Atas nama bangsa Papua, kami bakar keliling ini untuk memperingati korban pelanggaran HAM di atas tanah Papua.
Atas nama Maluku, lilin ini buat semua pahlawan-pahlawan yang sudah kasih korban diri dalam perjuangan Republik Maluku Selatan.
Atas nama bangsa Aceh, saya bakar lilin ini untuk mengenang pembantaian di bumi Aceh, PT Bumi Flora, Simpang KKA, Arakundo, Jambu Kupo, Bantakiah dan banyak lain. Begitu juga yang terjadi di Papua dan Maluku. Terima kasih.